Do you feel unsupported, always taking care of others but neglecting yourself? Do you feel resentful, sacrificing your own financial well-being for others? Do you feel overwhelmed by financial responsibilities due to a lack of boundaries? Do you feel undervalued, always putting others' needs before your own? If you're nodding in agreement, this is for you. If not, this isn't for you. Please feel free to close this ad. For those ready to break free from self-sacrifice and find financial freedom, this is for you. Allow us to introduce our transformative webinar, The Abundance Code, Rediscovering Your Self-Worth. But this isn't just any webinar. It's tailored to help you find the perfect balance between giving and receiving, empowering you to ensure your own financial well-being while still supporting others. In this webinar, you'll discover how to 1. Recognize your true worth and charge accordingly. 2. Cultivate healthier, more supportive relationships. 3. Achieve mental and emotional well-being. 4. Attain the financial independence and success you've always desired. It's time to rewrite your story and reclaim your life. Join us in this empowering journey toward abundance and self-fulfillment. Discover the path to financial security, emotional well-being, and the fulfilling life you deserve. By registering now, you'll gain access to invaluable insights and tools that will transform your relationship with money and empower you to make a positive change. Don't miss this opportunity to take the first step towards a brighter future. Register today and embark on the transformational journey that will reshape your financial landscape. Your path to abundance and self-fulfillment begins here. Click the link around this video to secure your spot for the webinar.